This is Module 11, Quiz, Generating Equivalent Algebraic Expressions. Number 1. What do two equivalent expressions always have in common? A. The same value. B. The same variables. C. The same constants. D. Both have an equal sign. Number 2. What must be included in an algebraic expression? A. An equal sign. B. At least one variable. C. One or more numbers. D. An operation such as addition. Number 3. Which algebraic expression could represent the phrase below? A number n decreased by 5. A. 5 minus n. B. n minus 5. C. n divided by 5. D. n minus 1/5. Number 4. Which phrase does not have the same meaning as -3 divided by w? A. -3 times a number w. B. -3 divided by a number w. C. A number w divided into -3. D. The quotient of a -3 and a number w. Number 5. What is the value of the expression h minus 20 when h equals 60? A. 30. B. 40. C. 80. D. 120. Number 6. Which value for the variable w makes the value of this expression 10? 50 divided by w. A. W equals 1/5. B. W equals 5. C. W equals 60. D. W equals 500. Number 7. Find the value of the expression below for x equals 10. X squared minus 2 times x plus 5. A. 10. B. 70. C. 85. D. 90. Number 8. Which property justifies the fact that 5 times x minus 2 is equivalent to 5x minus 10? A. Commutative. B. Associative. C. Distributive. D. Identity. Number 9. Which of the following is equivalent to the expression below? 4x plus 3 times 2x minus 1 minus 4x. A. 4x minus 3. B. 4x plus 3. C. 14x minus 3. D. 14x plus 3. Number 10. What are the like terms in the expression below? 3x plus 8 plus 3y plus x. A. 8 and 8x. B. 3x and 3y. C. 3x and 8x. D. 3x, 3y, and 8x. Number 11. At 6 p.m., the temperature was -2 degrees Fahrenheit. By midnight, the temperature had dropped 5 degrees. What was the temperature at midnight? A. -7 degrees Fahrenheit. B. -3 degrees Fahrenheit. C. 3 degrees Fahrenheit. D. 7 degrees Fahrenheit. You have reached the end of the quiz. If you need to hear a question reread, please rewind to that question and listen to it as many times as needed. Once you have finished your quiz, please enter it into DMAC and return your quiz, your review, and any extra pages you used during your quiz to Mrs. Dipvig.